Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn about the Parthenocarpy and Apomixis and what are the similarities and what are the dissimilarities between them. So let's get started. Plants produce fruits and seeds following pollination and fertilization, but there are other ways fruits and seeds are produced. Parthenocarpy is the formation or development of fruit without fertilization. On the other hand, Apomixis on the other hand is the formation of seeds without fertilization. Let us understand more about each of the phenomena, such as Parthenocarpic. As mentioned above, Parthenocarpic is a phenomenon by which fruits are developed without the process of fertilization. The difference between the fruits developed naturally and through Parthenocarpy is that the fruits formed through Parthenocarpy are seedless. They are known as seedless or virgin fruits. In Parthenocarpy, the ovary is stimulated even without pollination, and thus fruit development begins without fertilization. This is common in plants that have no ovary or plants that have lost their ability to reproduce sexually due to a mutation. So this is all about the Parthenocarpy. Now we are going to learn about the Apomixis. While Parthenocarpic is the formation of fruit without fertilization, Apomixis is the formation of seeds without fertilization. In a natural flow of biological processes, pollination is the first step in the formation of a fruit and seed. The subsequent steps include cell divisions and fertilization. But in this case, there is no meiotic division and fertilization of the gametes to form a zygote. The entire process is cut short and seed formation occurs by the way of apomixis. It can be of two types. First one is sporophytic and second one is gametophytic. Sporophytic. In this type, apomixis occurs from the diploid sporophyte, and second one is gametophytic. In this type, apomixis occurs from the haploid gametophyte. Then there are the advantages and disadvantages of apomixis. Genetically identical individuals can be produced effectively and rapidly by apomixis since it results in seedling progeny identical to mother parent. The characteristics of mother plants can also be maintained and exploited by apomixis for generations. Hybrid vigor is an important characteristic which causes heterosis. Apomixis helps to conserve hybrid vigor for generations in crop varieties. So these are the main advantages of apomixis. Now disadvantages. However, the apomixis is a complex phenomenon which does not have a clear genetic basis. The maintenance of apomictic stocks is difficult unless linked with a morphological marker during the development. So these 2 points are disadvantages of apomixis. Now we are going to learn about the similarities between Parthenocarpic and Apomixis. In both Apomixis Parthenocarpic, there is no fertilization involved. So both produce offspring similar to parents. In both cases, there is no chance of diversity in genes. Since both the types of phenomenon do not involve fertilization, they are both used as asexual means or vegetative propagation methods. Though both methods are asexual, they still use the sexual organs of the plant, the ovary and the ovules. So these are the similarities. Now, what are the dissimilarities? Such as both apomixis and parthenocarpic are asexual modes of reproduction. Apomixis is the formation of seeds, whereas parthenocarpic is the formation of fruits without fertilization. Apomixis produces genetically identical mother cells, whereas parthenocarpic produces genetically identical offspring. Apomixis is seen in angiosperms and gymnosperms, but Parthenocarpy is seen in plants and animals. Parthenocarpy in animals is called as parthenogenesis. Here we can see the differences between apomixis and parthenocarpy. First one is apomixis refers to a type of asexual reproduction that replaces the normal sexual reproduction in plants. On the other hand, parthenocarpy refers to the development of a fruit without pure fertilization. Then production of seeds without fertilization and production of seedless fruits. Then occurs in roses and oranges, and it occurs in banana and pineapple or watermelon. Then apomixis such as mimic sexual reproduction of the plant. On the other hand, parthenocarpic induced by growth regulators such as auxins and gibberellins. So these are the main dissimilarities of apomixis and parthenocarpy. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.